In this video, we'll walk you through the key settings to get your store up and running in multiple languages. First, head to the Languages page. Click Add Language and choose your desired option. Remember, the number of languages you can activate depends on your plan. Once added, return to the Languages page. Here, select the language you just added. Then open the Actions drop-down and click Publish. This makes the language live on your store. Next, navigate to Shopify Settings, then Languages. Locate the language you published. Select Assign to Domain. This step ensures visitors see the right language based on the domain. Now, go back to the LangShop's dashboard. You can finally start translation from there. Here you can select which languages to translate. Choose the translation engine. Pick specific page elements. Click Translate. As translation runs, the dashboard displays progress in real time. Click Check Details to view individual tasks. If needed, you can pause or resume specific translations. A bit later, when translation finishes, you'll see the number of translated items on the dashboard, and you can review your translation history. Now, let's dive into the switcher settings. Navigate to Sales Channels, then Online Store. Click Customize your current theme. Make sure LangShop is enabled in App Embeds in your Shopify theme. Only after that, go to the switcher settings. Here you can set visibility, customize the switcher's style, shape, size, labels. Preview how it will look on your live site. With these settings in place, your multilingual store is ready to welcome a global audience. Thanks for watching. Now jump in and explore LangShop's powerful features.